What's up, YouTube? I've got something that we're gonna do today that's something that I've never done before, and I'm hoping it goes well. We're gonna see. You guys are gonna see it. I'm doing it in real time. But just for those who don't know, my name is Brandon Moore, aka
That's dang music, folks.
Okay, what's up, you guys? What we're gonna do today, and I'm hoping I don't mess this up. I've never upgraded a computer. I've never built a computer, even though it's something I want to do. But I'm gonna try to upgrade my 2012 MacBook Pro. It's been great. It's been with me for about 8 years. I've created a lot of music on it. I've done recordings and done music on it, and producing and mixing and everything. Problem is, it's super slow, and if I wanted a faster MacBook Pro, which is like the newer models, I'm gonna have to drop $2,000, and I can't drop $2,000 right now. So everything works on it. Everything works. The ports work, the screen, the keyboards, everything works. So it's not like I need to replace a bunch of stuff. So what I'm gonna try to do is you're gonna see. I found some videos on YouTube. I'm gonna put in a faster hard drive SSD, because right now this is your regular mechanical hard drive, the very slow HDD. And so I'm gonna put in an SSD, and then I'm also gonna put in 16 gigabytes of RAM. I'm gonna show all the components, and if I can, find the links again, because I ordered all of this off of Amazon. I'm gonna put that in the description, and I'm gonna put, I don't know his name. I'll either put it in the description or flash it across. The guy who I saw on YouTube, who I think did a great job showing you how to upgrade it. I don't think you can do these with the new models, because I think they're all like soldered, every component is soldered in and all of that stuff. They don't want you to do it. But you can do this with the 2012. Mine is a mid 2012 MacBook Pro. And I believe the 2013s you can do it with and everything. But I'm gonna show you first how freaking slow it is. And then I'm going to, you're gonna see like a little sped up of me, trying my best to do it myself, upgrade it, taking it apart, all of that stuff. And then you're gonna see the faster speeds, how fast applications open. If it worked and I didn't blow up my computer, you're gonna see how fast the applications work, how fast the open, how fast everything moves, and all of that stuff. So hey, let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is the before the new components test. This is the upgrade test, and I'm gonna open. I don't have anything. I don't have any of my audio interface or anything connected or anything. It's just a MacBook, and we're gonna see how. I'm gonna click on Logic Pro, and we're gonna see how long it takes to open. So I'm not fast forwarding this. I'm not slowing it down. This is just. It says Logic Pro at the top, but I don't see it yet. Just trying to see how long this is going to take. Okay, so we're still waiting. Still waiting for sure. It hasn't even started the actual, there it goes. There it goes. There's the box, updating, information, blah. So I know it's probably like, not that, I know it's probably not that long, but this is in terms of time. But when you're wanting to open a project and you're waiting, I don't even have anything connected right now, and this is just one application that I'm opening. So, and here we go. And I should have timed this. I'm not really timing it. I mean, I'm looking at my time on my voice recorder, but I'm not really. So maybe 3 minutes, close to 3 minutes. And it's still not open. So it's done all this stuff, and there it goes. Okay, so that's that. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing of me trying to play it, and then it's talking about pretty much it can't handle it, because a lot of times this computer can't really handle it'll stop playing or it'll shut down, and so that's another big problem I have, and that's another reason why we are upgrading today. So that's just one program, that I tried to open, and so we are going to go ahead and get started with the upgrade. All right, so before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using to upgrade my MacBook Pro. So I'm using this Samsung SSD solid state drive 860 Evo, 1 terabyte. I am using these my RAM, 16 gigabytes. As you can see, you need torque screwdrivers for these screws, so I bought a set. All of this I bought off of Amazon. I'll probably link it below. I don't have any affiliation links, so it's just me helping out everybody. And then this, because from the video I saw the guy, you could do the time machine, but apparently this is much faster. You put your hard drive in one slot, and then you put the new hard drive in the other slot, and it clones it within, like, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour or something like that. So I'm going to be doing that. So here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, guys, so I had a little issue earlier. I'm not able to show you guys the process that I took, taking off the back and putting in the new hard drive and all of that. But I just rebooted it. I do have the new 1 terabyte solid state drive in there and the 16 gigs of RAM. And as you saw before, I think it took almost 3 minutes for my Logic Pro to open. So let me close that, and so we're gonna try and see how long it takes now for it to open. Let's see. Wow. So as you can see, the box has already opened, and I think that took at least a minute before. Let's see how long it takes. Just the fact that this appeared almost instantly is already a win for me. At least 2 times faster than it was before. Okay, so It worked. It worked. Only thing I'm a little concerned about is that when I go to my about this Mac, it doesn't show that I have a new drive-in. It may just not be able to, because it's an older Mac, and so it may not be able to recognize it. But I mean, that was super fast. And then before, and I don't think I recorded it before, I was trying to open Google Chrome, and that even took a while. So let's see how fast that goes. Okay, that was almost instant. So there you have it. I wish I could have shown you guys some of the footage, but I had a tough time. It was the screws in the back, and I had to go to the store, and by the time I went to the store and got the right screwdriver, everything was it was kind of late. So you'll see the before and you'll see the after of this. So yeah, that's it. So guys, that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. I know this video is a little different, and I know I didn't get to show you guys exactly what I wanted, everything I wanted you guys to see, but yeah, it works. I can't wait to hook it up to my audio interface and everything else, and just to see how smoothly and how fast everything runs. Alright, thank you guys. Peace.
That's dang music, folks.